Anlabeier electric water heater. Fast heating hot water. It takes about 5 seconds to heat from 40 degrees to 48 degrees. Smart adjustable power. When the shutdown state, long press the up key and down key for few seconds. You can adjust the power 3.5 kW, 4.5 kW, 5.5 kW. Multifunctional LED screen. Press the down key display the water flow and press the up key to display water inlet temperature. Long lifespan, cast aluminum heating element, water and electricity separation, very safe and durable. This model can be installed 360 degrees, vertical, horizontal, oblique, mini size, easy to install, just hand on and fix it with 2 screws. Small size, can be used in compact space, multi-point use in bathroom and kitchen.
Sample room, sporting OEM, ODM. Authoritative patents and international certification. SGS, TUV, GCC, CE, CB, ROX, ETL, ERP, Sabre, and 3C. Positive reviews from overseas buyers since 2018. Material inspection, production, assembly, semi-finished product testing, finished product testing, bench testing, packaging, transportation simulation.
Instant electric water heater.